Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, wait. Before I reveal the top 3 stocks for this week, I'm going to quickly show you the performance of the stocks that I've recommended 10 days ago. The first one was United States Steel Corporation with the ticker X. This stock I highlighted at $19.7 and it went all the way to $23.8, which is 21% of its value. And it's still currently trading at $23.42. The second one was Ford Company with the ticker F. And this one I highlighted at $12.89. This stock went all the way to $15.69, which is 22% of its value, and it's still currently trading at $15.3. The third one was Energy Transfer with the ticker ET. I highlighted this stock at $10.27 and it went all the way to $11.32, which is 10%, and is currently trading at $11. You can see that all the 3 stocks have performed very well and there's still room to grow. So guys, coming back, I started this channel last month, and if you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe so that you will not miss any of my stock recommendations that I will release every 2 weeks. So let's get started. The first one on my list is ABCL with the ticker ABCL. Being a scientist, I usually don't recommend any pharmaceutical companies for trading, but this one is definitely worth to be considered because this has a nice discovery platform to develop antibodies for any disease. The beauty is this identifies the antibodies from the natural immune system, and its drug discovery platform integrates with several technologies like microfluidics, single-cell analysis, high-throughput genomics, machine learning, and hyperscale data science. It has access to complete functional human antibody repertoire because it has generated a humanized mice with in silico design. It can also pick the most promising leads from the functional characterization of the antibody. This stock is currently trading at $11.43 with a market cap of $3.23 billion. If we look at the 1-year chart, last year by the same time it was trading at around $15 and it went all the way to $23. Then it has dropped to its 1-year low price $5.5. The previous resistance of $10.5 has now become its new support, and the chart looks really bullish right now. It has reported a profit margin of about 41.88% in the last quarter. Its revenue is $489 million with a quarterly revenue growth of 56.2%. It has a total cash value of $786 million with a total debt of $40.28 million. It has an operating cash flow of $235 million. As I have mentioned earlier, its 52-week high was 22.63 and it is currently trading above the 200-day moving average. About 41% of the company shares are held by outside institutions. This company doesn't have any history of providing dividends. If you look at the price to earning ratio, which is 18.03, it's definitely undervalued in this sector. Its earnings date is on August 9th, and I'm pretty much sure that this is going to beat the estimates. If you look at the forecast, this company has a lot of room to grow. Even the median price for the next 12 months is 172% higher than its current value. And you can see that all the analysts are very bullish on it, and it's a strong buy candidate. The reason why I'm so bullish on it is because it is establishing a very nice collaboration with not only small companies like Atlas Venture or Versant Ventures to accelerate the drug development, but also with pharmaceutical giant like Eli Lilly, which is supplying an additional 150,000 doses of this company's discovered antibody to the US government for treating COVID-19 patients. The second on my list is Crowdstrike Holdings with the ticker CRWD. This company provides information security services for cloud applications, and you know that all the data nowadays is being stored in the cloud, and this is definitely a global leader in the cybersecurity space. It offers threat intelligence to multiple sectors, and it manages security services, IT operations, threat hunting, and zero trust identity protection. There is a strong demand due to the elevated cybersecurity threat because of the current situations between Ukraine and Russia. This company provides protection to several companies from small businesses to enterprise. This stock is currently trading at around $183 with a market cap of $42.89 billion. If you look at the 1-year chart, last year by the same time it was trading at around $250 and then it went all the way to around $300. Then it fell down to its 1-year low $130, and since then it's been constantly moving up, and it has a decent support at around $180. If it goes along with the momentum, it can go all the way to around $230. In the last quarter, it has reported a loss of about 11%. Its total revenue is about $1.64 billion with a quarterly revenue growth of 61.1%. It has a total cash of about $2.15 billion with a total debt of $772 million. Its operating cash flow is $642 million. As I mentioned earlier, its 52-week high was close to $300 and is currently trading a little bit lower than its 200-day moving average. And about 75% of the company's shares are being held by outside institutions. More importantly, there are about 80 hedge funds that invested a total of about $5.5 billion. This company doesn't provide any dividend either. If you look at the price to earning ratio, this is definitely an overvalued stock. It is a momentum play stock and it is gonna report its earnings by the end of this month, and I'm pretty much sure this is gonna beat the estimates as well. If you look at the forecast for the next 12 months, I should say that this is gonna cross the median list price in the next 2 weeks. It is a very strong buy candidate from around 30 analysts. The reason why I'm so bullish on it is because this is one of a kind platform that can provide a complete protection in the cloud space, which is very needed right now. It is constantly expanding its capabilities to identify threats in the cloud space. Recently, it has won a Max Security Product Award for achieving 100% malware protection. And it has introduced the industry's first cloud threat hunting service that is completely dedicated to stop the advanced cloud-based attacks. The third on my list is Neo Incorporation with the ticker NIO. This company started around 2014, but since then it has grown rapidly. This is definitely a leading company in premium smart electric vehicle market. This company jointly manufactures and sells premium smart electric vehicles. They have developed next generation tech innovations for autonomous driving. Not only that, they are selling their autonomous driving technology as a service. On top of it, they also focus on electric powertrains and batteries. They have the industry-leading battery swapping technologies. And not only that, they are also selling their battery technology as a service. This stock is currently trading at around $20 with a market cap of $33.56 billion. If you look at the 1-year chart, last year by this time it was trading at around $40. Then it tried to break the resistance at $46.5 a couple of times, but it failed. Gradually, it fell down all the way to its 1-year low, $11.6. Since then, it picked up the momentum and it is currently trading now at $20, which is a decent entry point. There are a couple of bullish signals hinting for the upward momentum. In the last quarter, they reported a loss of around 20%, and they have a revenue of $38 billion with a quarterly revenue growth of 24.2%, which is decent. And they have a total cash of $49.41 billion with a total debt of $22 billion. As I mentioned earlier, the 52-week high is $46.38. It is currently trading at around 50-day moving average, but there's a high chance that it's going to move towards the 200-day moving average of $25 in the next couple of weeks. About 37.81% of the company shares are being held by the institutions. This company has no history of providing any annual dividends. If you look at the price to earning ratio, it's definitely overvalued. It is again a momentum play stock. Its earning date is around August 9th to August 15th. If you look at the price forecast for the next 12 months, even the median price is going to give you around 42.3%, which is amazing in the short term. You can see that more than 35 analysts are very bullish on this stock. The reason why I am bullish on this stock is because it is expanding very rapidly around the world. And it provides its vehicle delivery update every month. And you can see that last month it has delivered around 10,000 vehicles, an increase of 26.7% year over year. And its recent SUV models, ES7 and ES8, are really hot in the EV market. The CEO of this company is very active and has a nice vision in the electric vehicle market. And that's it for now. As always, I am not a financial advisor and I always recommend you to do your own research before investing. Although I have done a lot of research on multiple areas before I select these stocks, but still you have to do your own research before investment. If you like my videos, please subscribe and comment if you have any suggestions. Thank you very much for watching.